Hello, I'm Sean Gabb. I've been teaching Greek and Latin for a very long time. Yes, a very long time. Since the coronavirus brought fundamental and what I hope will be permanent changes to the delivery of education, I've been teaching both classes and private students in England and the United Kingdom, in America, in Canada, in Australia, in Hong Kong, and in China. Yes, quite a lot of teaching in China. I'm making this introductory video in September 2021. I haven't been to my normal place of work in London since March 2020, when a brief text from the senior administration told me the building would close at the end of the day until further notice. Well, further notice still hasn't come, and I'm hoping it won't come, as I like sitting here in what my daughter calls the daddy bunker. I have all of my necessary books behind me. I have all of my electro junk. I have what I think is quite a good webcam. I have what I'm sure is a very good Blue Yeti microphone. And I have a great deal of other stuff that's not in sight at the moment. I have a washing basket behind me which tells you about the other use of this back basement room. But I have coffee. I have coffee as often as my women care to check if I'm still alive down here. I've no doubt some would think mine a suboptimal existence. I rather like it, and I'm now experimenting with whole courses online, and this is one of the experiments. So let me turn to this course. In this course of video lessons, I want to give a brief explanation of the dative case in Latin, how to recognize it, and what it does. I made it first as a continuous lecture to address a specific need of some of my early learners in the language. I'm now dividing it into shorter sections to fit it within the conventions of an online course. I hope that students will find what I say useful in this revised format. Here let me emphasize my reason for making this course and for focusing on the dative case. If you are not able to recognize the dative case or not able to understand how it's used, your progress in Latin will come to a sudden and perhaps a final stop. If you do know the dative, you'll have no trouble with the genitive and then the ablative cases. Indeed, you'll have no further trouble, in principle, with learning Latin. Therefore, and here is a phrase I'll use several times in this course of videos, a full understanding of the dative case is of critical importance. You cannot make solid progress in Latin unless you have mastered it. Therefore, this course of videos, and therefore my most earnest hope that you'll find this course of videos useful to you.